Hi, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, just a quick one for those of you who get frustrated by the endless Nagware that Microsoft seems to be pushing down our throats, and this is referring to the out-of-box experience, or as it's otherwise known, the SCOOBE, the second chance out-of-box experience. So some of you will be experiencing this when your PC has updates, or maybe there's been a feature update going from 25H2 to 26H2, etc., etc., that kind of thing. It can be quite random when it actually happens, and there's various ways you can deal with it. I'm going to show you two very simple ways of doing it, actually from within Windows itself, but also there is going to be a script which will either be in the video description or available from our Discord, depending if Google will actually allow me to paste the script into the description. We'll see how that goes, but I'm going to show you both methods so you can work out what's best for you. The script is going to be better because it's going to add registry keys so that when there are further updates, hopefully the registry keys will prevent the SCOOBE or the OB from popping up again, and also it's going to get rid of some other things such as suggested items and some of the AI integrations such as Copilot on your taskbar and Copilot just basically making suggestions. So without further ado, let's head over to the computer and take a closer look. So this is our Windows desktop, currently on 25H2. 26H2 is due out reasonably shortly, so it'll be interesting to see how this pans out. But for those of you who just want a simple option to prevent Microsoft giving you the secondary out-of-box experience dialog, then all you need to do is click on the settings cog or go to the start bar or just type in settings, whichever you want to do. So just go to the Windows settings. On the left hand side, go to system, then click on notifications. When you get to notifications, scroll towards the bottom until you see additional settings just here, and click on there to expand it. And you'll probably have both of these tick boxes. Potentially you might if you've already done some sort of tweaks anyway, but if you have got them, this is why you're getting the out-of-box experience, or the secondary one. So here we are, suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. So that is basically invoking the secondary out-of-box experience. Also as well, you've got this one underneath, so get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Most of us don't want that either, so my suggestion is remove both of those and be on your way. So that is the simple way of doing it. Doesn't really involve much, but it gets the job done. If you want a slightly more permanent fix, and you also want to get rid of some other slight features, I've made a little batch script. So this is it if I open up in Notepad. So you can read through this and see exactly what's in there. There's no nasties in there. It's very simple and it's all laid out very simply. So essentially at the start, it's going to check for admin privileges, because you do need administrator privileges to add these registry keys. So if you don't, you'll get an error message. That's very simple. So there's 5 key sections. First one is to disable the secondary out-of-box experience, as you can see there. So I've put in these commands so you can see what is going on. So basically it's going to add registry key to the system, UserProfileEngagement, SCOOBE settings, and basically disable that. Then we've got the next one, so disable the Windows welcome experience. So this is what happens after updates. So again, just adding this registry key. As you can see, very simple, straightforward. Disable Windows tips and suggestions. Well, we've kind of already done that anyway, but if you want to do it this way, this will be a more permanent way of doing it in the system's registry, rather than a tick box, which can be potentially overridden. And number 4, we've got disable Copilot stroke AI suggestions and remove Copilot from your taskbar. Most people don't need it there anyway, so you can still use Copilot if you want to. It'll just remove it from the taskbar. So for that, we need 2 registry entries. So we're adding 2 keys, one of which is to basically not show the Copilot button, and the second one is to basically turn off Copilot suggestions. The 5th section is straightforward. So really you need to restart Windows Explorer to apply these changes instantly. And you can see there's going to do task kill, and it's basically going to close down Explorer. So obviously if you've got anything running, probably best to close it before you do that and before you run this. So that is the Notepad. This is what is going to be in the video description, hopefully. If I'm allowed to post it in there, should be able to. Again, if not, it'll be on our Discord. Now you're probably thinking, well, that's great, but that's a Notepad document, Mike, it's a text file. How do I make this run as a file? It's really easy to do. Click on File, go to Save As, and all you do at the bottom here where it says Text Documents, change it to All Files, and at the end there, get rid of txt and turn it to BAT, which turns it into a batch file. Click on save, and by the magic of computing, you should find a new icon here on your desktop or wherever you've saved this to. And then you've got the disable annoyances batch file. So all you need to do is double click it, but you need to be an administrator. So let's show you what happens if you just double click it. You get the error message, error, please right click this file and select run as administrator, press any key to continue. So there's a little bit of a warning for you. So right click, choose run as administrator. You'll get the user account control, click yes. And basically it's going to tell you what it's doing. It's very straightforward, very quick. You may see your desktop wallpaper disappear, go black, etc. And it's basically gone through all 5 operations have completed successfully, and the tweaks have been applied. Copilot and nagging screens are disabled. Press any key to continue. And there we go. That is it. You're done. So now you won't be annoyed by the SCOOBE or secondary out-of-box experience and all those interruptions. And also, as a little bit of a bonus there, we've removed Copilot and its AI Nagware. So there you go, very easy, very straightforward thing to do. Again, if you just want to do the easy bit in Windows, you can just do that part separately, go into settings, notifications, and tick those boxes or untick them, as the case may be. But if you want a more robust fix and you also want to get rid of those other features such as the Copilot button and also the kind of Nagware from Copilot as you go through your start menus and just using Windows, which is a real pain in the backside, you can use the batch file. Again, it will be linked in the video description, or alternatively, it will be on our Discord. If it's on the Discord, there'll be a link to it in the video description to our Discord, if that makes sense. Poppy has absolutely loved this. She's fast asleep now. Hopefully you're not. And if you're still awake and still with us, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, if you haven't already, click on subscribe and click on the all notifications. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But I think that's going to wrap this one up. I'll be Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.